Welcome to Chat Templates. This lesson is part of Module 03, Data Preparation. Let's get started. Let's now look at Lesson 3.4, Applying Chat Templates. Here we can see the chat template. Let's now look at Overview. Here we can see the template format comparison. Chat templates are the secret sauce that transforms your conversational data into the exact format your model expects. Using the wrong template or no template is one of the most common reasons for poor fine-tuning results. Duration, 30 minutes. Difficulty, intermediate. Let's now look at learning objectives. Here we can see the multi-turn conversation. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what chat templates are and why they matter. Apply chat templates correctly using Unsloth and Transformers. Work with different templates, Llama 3.1, Mistral, Gemma, Quen. Test templates before training. Create custom templates, advanced. Avoid common template mistakes. Let's now look at what is a chat template. Here we can see the tokenization special tokens. Let's now look at the problem. Here we can see the ChatML format. Here's the JSON code for this section, starting with. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with begin of text, start header, idea user, end header, ID us. Chat templates handle this conversion automatically. Let's now look at why chat templates matter. Here we can see the Llama 3 template. Consistency. Model expects specific format from pre-training. Performance, wrong template. Confused model, most poor results. Role handling, properly separates system, user, assistant messages. Special tokens, inserts correct start, end markers. Using wrong template, like teaching someone Spanish with French grammar rules. Let's now look at common chat templates. Here we can see the system prompt template. Let's now look at 1. Llama 3.1, 3.2 template, meta. Here we can see the template selection guide. Models, Meta Llama, Llama 3.1, 8B instruct, Meta Llama, Llama 3.2, 3B instruct. Format. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with begin of text, start header, ID system, end header, ID ses. Special tokens. Begin of text, start of conversation. Start header, ID's role, end header, ID, role marker, iot, ID song, end of turn. Supports, system, user, assistant roles. Let's now look at 2. Mistral, Mixtral template. Here we can see the EOS boss tokens. Models, Mistral I, Mistral 7B instruct 0.2, Mistral I, Mixtral 8x7B instruct 0.1 format. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with inst, what is AI? Inst AI stands for artificial intel. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with inst, what is AI? Inst AI stands for artificial intel. Special tokens, start of sequence, insti, instruction, start, insti, instruction, end, end of sequence. Note, no explicit system prompt support, embed in first user message. Let's now look at 3, ChatML template, OpenAI style. Here we can see the template debugging. Models, Microsoft Phi2, Quen 2, 7B instruct, many open models, format. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with imstart system. Special tokens, imstart, message start, imend, message end. Supports, system, user, assistant, function roles. Let's now look at 4. Gemma template, Google. Models, Google, Gemma 2, 9B it, Google, Gemma 7B it. Format. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with user. Special tokens, beginning of sequence, turn start, turn end. Note, user's model instead of assistant. Let's now look at applying chat templates in Python. Let's now look at method 1, using tokenizer, manual. Load model and tokenizer, your conversation apply template. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with begin of text, start header ID system, end header ID bash. Let's now look at method 2, using Unsloth's built-in template, recommended. Load model, applied chat template. Unsloth auto detects. Now Tokenizer has the correct template. Available templates in Unsloth. Llama 3.1, Llama 3.1 3.2, Llama 3, Llama 3.0, Mistral, Mistral, Mixtral, ChatML, ChatML, OpenAI style, Gemma, Google Gemma, Phi 3, Microsoft Phi, Zephyr, Hugging Face, Zephyr, Qwen 2, Alibaba Qwen 2. Let's now look at Method 3. During dataset preparation, best practice. Load your dataset. Load Tokenizer with template, function to format examples. Apply chat template, apply to entire dataset, now ready for training. Let's now look at testing chat templates before training. Let's now look at Test 1. Verify format is correct. Test conversation. Apply and check. Check for expected tokens. Let's now look at Test 2. Compare different templates. Here's the Python code for this section, starting with from transformers import auto tokenizer. Here's the bash code for this section, starting with Let's now look at Test 3. Verify special tokens are in vocabulary. Check special tokens. Check template-specific tokens. Verify it's in vocab. Let's now look at Complete example. Formatting a dataset for training. Complete template example.py. 1. Create sample dataset, save as JSONL. 2. Load dataset. 3. Load tokenizer. 4. Apply chat template. Here's the PowerShell code for this section, starting with Python complete template example.py. Let's now look at common mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's now look at mistake 1, not applying template at all. Bad, training on raw JSON. Directly using dataset messages for training model sees JSON structure, not expected format. Good, apply template first. Now model sees proper format with special tokens. Let's now look at mistake 2, using wrong template for your model. Bad, using Llama template for Mistral model. Model won't understand Llama's special tokens. Good, match tokenizer to model. Let's now look at mistake 3, forgetting system prompts. Bad, no system prompt model doesn't know its role or constraints. Good, include system prompt. Let's now look at mistake 4, inconsistent system prompts. Bad, different system prompts across examples. Model gets confused about its personality. Good, same system prompt for all examples. Use this consistently across all training examples. Let's now look at mistake 5, not testing before training. Bad, train immediately without checking format. Start training without inspecting formatted text. Good, always inspect first. Verify special tokens are present, then start training. Let's now look at advanced, custom chat templates, optional. Let's now look at when you need a custom template. Using a model without built-in template, creating your own instruction format. Special tokens not supported by default. Let's now look at creating a custom template, Ginger 2. Define custom template, set the template, test it. User, hello assistant, hi there. For most users, stick with built-in templates. Custom templates are advanced. Let's now look at hands-on exercise. Let's now look at exercise. 1. Apply Llama template to your dataset. Load your dataset from previous lessons. Your task. 1. Load your custom dataset, recipe, homework, customer service. 2. Load Llama 3.2 3B instruct tokenizer. 3. Apply chat template. 4. Print first, 2 formatted examples. Click for solution. 1. Load dataset. 2. Load tokenizer. 3. Apply template. 4. Print first. 2 examples. 5. Save. Let's now look at Exercise 2, Compare Templates. Task: apply 3 different templates to the same conversation and compare outputs. Your task: test with 1. Llama 3.18b, instruct 2. Mistral 7b, instruct Viceroy 2. 3. Quen 2 7b, instruct print, formatted output for each. Click for solution. Here's the Python code for this section, starting with from transformers import auto tokenizer. Analysis: Mistral is most compact, Llama is most structured, ChatML, Quen is most readable. Let's now look at key takeaways. 1. Always match tokenizer to model. Don't mix templates. 2. Apply templates before training. Model expects its format. 3. Be consistent with system prompts. Same prompt across all examples. 4. Test formatting first. Print examples before training. 5. Use Unsloth's get chat template. Easiest method. 6. Special tokens matter. They tell model when roles change. Let's now look at quick reference. Load model tokenizer. Apply template to messages. Apply to entire dataset. Let's now look at knowledge check. Before continuing, make sure you can 1. Explain what chat templates do. 2. Match templates to models, Llama, Mistral, ChatML. 3. Apply a template using Apply Chat Template. 4. Format an entire dataset with templates. 5. Test templates before training. 6. Identify when a template is wrong. Let's now look at assignment. Format your project dataset with the correct template. 1. Choose the model you'll use, Llama, Mistral, Quen, etc. 2. Load the matching tokenizer. 3. Apply the chat template to your dataset. 4. Inspect 3 formatted examples manually. 5. Verify special tokens are present. 6. Save formatted dataset as my project, formatted JSONL. 7. Document, original format, template used, final format. Let's now look at what's next. Your data is now properly formatted. The final step before training is to validate data quality and check for common issues. This prevents wasting GPU time on bad data. Continue to Lesson 3.5, Data Quality and Validation. Let's now look at additional resources. Hugging Face Chat Templates docs, Llama 3 template spec, Mistral format guide, Ginger 2 template guide for custom templates. Completed? Mark this lesson done. That wraps up chat templates. Well done on completing this lesson. See you in the next one.